Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. I am Ravindra Chaudhary. I am giving you all the information on how to study for citizenship interview. It is a dream of every person in the world to be citizen of the United States. Recently, USCIS revised the civics portion of the naturalization test. All applicants who have filed a N400 application form on or after December 1st, 2020 will be required to take 2020 version of the civics test. But the applicants who have filed N400 application before December 1st, 2020 are required to take the 2008 version of the civics test. In 2008 version there are 100 civics questions and in 2020 version there are 128 civics questions. The 2008 version of the civics test is an oral test and the USCIS officer will ask you 10 questions from the list of 100 civics test questions. You must answer 6 questions correctly to pass the 2008 version of the civics test. I am releasing another video for 2020 version of the civics test. I will explain the 2020 version in my next video. So let us start our study of civics test. In this video I have given all 100 questions and appropriate correct answers. So it will be useful to you to study easily and pass the test. So I hope you will like my video. So please kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. My study of US citizenship interview step by step. Question number 1. What is the supreme law of the land? The answer is the Constitution. Question number 2. What does the Constitution do? The answer is sets up the government. Question number 3. The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these 3 words? The answer is we the people. Question number 4. What is an amendment? The answer is a change to the Constitution. Question number 5. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? The answer is Bill of Rights. Question number 6. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? The answer is speech. Question number 7. How many amendments does the Constitution have? The answer is 27. Question number 8. What did the Declaration of Independence do? The answer is declared our independence from the Great Britain. Question number 9. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? The answer is life, liberty and pursuit of happiness. Question number 10. What is freedom of religion? The answer is you can practice any religion or not practice a religion. Question number 11. What is the economic system in the United States? The answer is market economy. Question number 12. What is the rule of the law? The answer is everyone must follow the law, leaders must obey the law, government must obey the law, no one is above the law. Question number 13. Name one branch or part of the government. The answer is Congress. Question number 14. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful? The answer is checks and balances. Question number 15. Who is in charge of the executive branch? The answer is the President. Question number 16. Who makes federal laws? The answer is Congress. Question number 17. What are the two parts of the US Congress? The answer is Senate and the House of Representatives. Question number 18. How many US senators are there? The answer is 100. Question number 19. We elect US senators for how many years? The answer is 6 years. Question number 20. Who is one of your state's US senator now? The answer will vary. Question number 21. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? The answer is 435. Question number 22. We elect a US representative for how many years? The answer is 2 years. Question number 23. Name your US representative. The answer will vary. Resident of territories with non-voting delegates or resident commissioners may provide the name of that delegate or commissioner. Also acceptable is any statement that the territory has no voting representatives in Congress. Question number 24. Who does US Senator represent? The answer is citizens of the United States. Question number 25. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? The answer is because of the state's population. Hello friends, I request you to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the icon bell button. Question number 26. We elect a president for how many years? The answer is 4 years. Question number 27. In what month do we vote for president? The answer is November. Question number 28. What is the name of the president of the United States now? The answer is Donald Trump. Question number 29. What is the name of the vice president of the United States now? The answer is Mike Pence. Question number 30. If the president can no longer serve, who becomes the president? The answer is vice president. Question number 31. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes the president? The answer is Speaker of the House. Question number 32. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military? The answer is the President of the United States. Question number 33. Who signs bills to become laws? The answer is the President of the United States. Question number 34. Who vetoes bills? The answer is the President of the United States. Question number 35. What does the President's cabinet do? The answer is advises the President. Question number 36. What are two cabinet level positions? The answer is Secretary of Defense and Secretary of Energy. Question number 37. What does the judicial branch do? The answer is explains the laws. Question number 38. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? The answer is 9. Question number 39. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? The answer is 9. Question number 40. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? The answer is John G. Roberts Jr. Question number 41. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government? The answer is to print money. Question number 42. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the state? The answer is provide schooling and education. Question 43. Who is the governor of your state now? The answer will vary. District of Columbia resident should answer that DC does not have a governor. Question number 44. What is the capital of your state? The answer will vary. District of Columbia resident should answer that DC is not a state and does not have a capital. Residents of US territories should name the capital of the territory. Question number 45. What are two major political parties in the United States? The answer is Democratic and Republican Party. Question number 46. What is the political party of the president now? The answer is Republican Party. Question number 47. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? The answer is Nancy Pelosi. Question number 48. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. The answer is citizens 18 and older can vote. Question number 49. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? The answer is vote in federal election. Question number 50. Name one right only for United States citizen. The answer is vote in federal election. Hello friends, I request you to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the icon bell button so that you can get future videos notification. Thank you. Question number 51. What are the 2 rights of everyone living in the United States? The answer is freedom of expression and freedom of speech. Question number 52. What do we show loyalty to when we say Pledge of Allegiance? The answer is the United States and the flag. Question number 53. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? The answer is to be loyal to the United States. Question number 54. How old do citizens have to be to vote for president? The answer is 18 and older. Question number 55. What are 2 ways that the Americans can participate in their democracy? The answer is vote and join a political party. Question number 56. When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms? The answer is April 15. Question 57. When must all men register for the selective service? The answer is at the age 18, between 18 and 26. Question number 58. What is one reason the colonists came to America? The answer is freedom. Question number 59. Who lived in America before Europeans arrived? The answer is Native Americans. Question number 60. What group of people was taken to America and sold as slaves? The answer is people from Africa. Question number 61. Why did the colonies fight the British? The answer is because of high taxes, taxation without representation. Question number 62. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? The answer is Thomas Jefferson. Question number 63. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? The answer is July 4th, 1776. Question number 64. There were 13 original states. Name 3. The answer is New Hampshire, New York and New Jersey. Question number 65. What happened at the Constitutional Convention? The answer is the Constitution was written. Question number 66. When was the Constitution written? The answer is 1787. Question 67. The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the US Constitution. Name one of the writers. The answer is James Madison. Question 68. What is one thing Benjamin Franklin is famous for? The answer is US diplomat. Question number 69. Who is the father of our country? The answer is George Washington. Question number 70. Who was the first president? The answer is George Washington. Question number 71. What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803? The answer is the Louisiana Territory. Question number 72. Name one war fought by the United States in 1800. The answer is Civil War. Question number 73. Name the war between the North and the South. The answer is the Civil War. Question number 74. Name one problem that led to the Civil War. The answer is slavery. Question number 75. What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did? The answer is freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation. Hello friends, I request you to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the icon bell button so that you can get future video notifications. Thank you. Question number 76. What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? The answer is freed the slaves. Question number 77. What did Susan B. Anthony do? The answer is fought for women's rights. Question number 78. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s. The answer is World War II. Question number 79. Who was the president during World War I? The answer is Woodrow Wilson. Question 80. Who was the president during Great Depression and World War II? The answer is Franklin Roosevelt. Question 81. Who did the United States fight in the World War II? The answer is Japan, Germany and Italy. Question number 82. Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in? The answer is World War II. Question number 83. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? The answer is communism. Question number 84. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? The answer is Civil Rights Movement. Question number 85. What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? The answer is fought for civil rights. Question number 86. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? The answer is terrorist attack the United States. Question number 87. Name one American Indian tribe in the United States. The answer is Crow. Question number 88. Name one of the two longest rivers in the United States. The answer is Missouri River. Question number 89. What ocean is on the west coast of the United States? The answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 90. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States? The answer is Atlantic Ocean. Question number 91. Name one US territory. The answer is Puerto Rico. Question number 92. Name one state that borders Canada. The answer is New York. Question number 93. Name one state that borders Mexico. The answer is California. Question number 94. What is the capital of the United States? The answer is Washington DC. Question number 95. Where is the Statue of Liberty? The answer is New York Harbor. Question number 96. Why does the flag have 13 stripes? The answer is because there were 13 original colonies. Question number 97. Why does the flag have 50 stars? The answer is because there are 50 states. Question number 98. What is the name of the national anthem? The answer is the Star Spangled Banner. Question number 99. When do we celebrate Independence Day? The answer is July 4th. Question number 100. Name two national US holidays. The answer is President's Day and Independence Day. Hello friends, I am Ravindra Chaudhary. I request you to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you can get further notifications.